Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2009 to 2018 Ford F-150, two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. We put some 20 by 10 XF 211 wheels on it. They're gloss black with a milled window, and some 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires. Now this 2-inch zone lift is a piece of cake to install. You disconnect your 3 nuts on the top of your strut, your lower strut bolt, you disconnect your sway bars, your upper control arms, and your tie rod. You drop your strut out, put the spacer on, throw it back in, reconnect your 3 nuts on the top of your strut, your lower strut bolt, your sway bars, your tie rod, and your upper control arm, and there you go, you've got a lifted truck. Now these XF wheels, they come in a 20 by 9, 20 by 10, and a 20 by 12. They also come in a 5, 6, and 8 lug, so you can go anywhere from a Jeep to a 1-ton truck. These 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RTs, they're a great tire. I am loving them. They handle well, they balance well, and they're not too loud. Fury's RTs are more like an all-terrain tire. It really does have the tread of an all-terrain tire, however the depth is the depth of like a Toyo or a Nitto RT tire. They're less aggressive than a Nitto or a Toyo RT. Fury also offers them in a 10 or a 12 ply, so if you have a 3/4 ton or a 1-ton truck and you're gonna haul, or even a 1/2 ton and you're hauling a boat or something, that might be an option you wanna look into. However, this customer just went with a 10 ply because it's simply just a driver. Besides that, trimming was very minimal. Had a little bit of trimming to do on the front valence, and we had a little bit in the back. You didn't have to trim, however, at some steep like driveway inclines, it might have been a good idea to trim. So besides that, it's a piece of cake. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or send us an email or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. And if you want to order these wheels or the tires or the lift or bumpers or lights or anything, please go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're sitting there and you're thinking, man, I really love that truck, I wish I could just buy the truck pre-lifted, already done, already have the tires and wheels and everything. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to our inventory page. We're gonna start partnering with our dealers, and we're gonna start advertising the vehicles that we've built for the dealers that are ready to sell to you today. So, again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.